In this video, I'll show you how to add the Peaq Network to your MetaMask wallet in a clear and beginner-friendly way, while reminding you to always verify network details from official sources before entering them. Start by opening the MetaMask app on your phone or browser and unlocking it with your password, then tap the current network name at the top, which is usually set to Ethereum by default. From the list that appears, scroll down and select the option to add a custom network, which opens a form where you'll manually enter Peaq's information. In the network name field, type Peaq Network so it's easy to recognize later. Next, carefully paste the official RPC URL shared by the Peaq Network team, as this is what allows MetaMask to connect to the blockchain. After that, enter the correct chain ID exactly as provided, since an incorrect ID can cause connection issues. Then add PAQ as the currency symbol so balances display properly, and include the Block Explorer URL if available to track transactions. Double-check all details before tapping Save, and once added, you can switch to Peaq anytime from the network list. Subscribe for simple, honest crypto tutorials that help you learn step by step.